Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Audi Q7 brake pad light. Start by confirming the pads were replaced or sensors reconnected, then turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Use a basic OBD2 tool to read and clear the fault code, or follow the manual reset by cycling the ignition and pressing the brake pedal sequence described in the owner manual. Always verify the light stays off during a short test drive. Gather the tools first so you do not get interrupted. An OBD2 reader that supports ABS codes is ideal, but a dealer tool is optional. Safety gear like wheel chocks and jack stands keeps the car secure while you inspect pads and sensors. If a wear sensor is broken, replace it before resetting to avoid a recurring light. Finally, check wiring for corrosion at the wheel hub connectors. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it makes a funny companion to budgeting for routine car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab the book if you want a better money plan. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the steps slowly and verify each check. With the ignition in accessory mode, connect your OBD2 scanner and read stored codes, then clear ABS or brake pad where codes once repairs are complete. If no scanner is available, try the manual sequence. Turn on ignition, press the brake pedal in the pattern described in the manual, then start the engine and observe the dashboard. Finish with a careful test drive to confirm the warning is gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.